Goodbyes are only for those who love with their eyes. Because for those who love with their soul and heart, there is no separation. People whom we love might indeed be gone from our side, but they never leave our hearts. Let us all take a moment to remember a great soul, an amazing human being, whose legacy is etched into the minds of many and whose life touched many lives. Mr. Avnish Kumar Dev. Born in 1962 in a middle-class household, with his father being a government employee and his mother a homemaker, Avnish was passionate about education, and so he excelled in his academics, both during his intermediate education and higher studies. His pursuit for a better life did not just end there. As he graduated, he felt the urge to contribute to the society. Owing to the same, Avnish graduated from the Xavier Institute of Social Service. Avnish began his professional career with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited in the year 1984, followed by a 5-year stint at Bharat Electronics Limited. Those were the days he found the woman of his dreams, Suparna, and they tied the knot on 27th January 1995. The supportive husband was now also the loving and caring father of a beautiful boy, Abhyudit. An illustrious career continued and spanned through various organizations and led him to the Human Resource Department of Maruti Suzuki India Limited in June 2010. Avnish was a man of substance who ideally balanced his personal and professional life and was an absolute joy to be around.
We lost Avnish on 18th July 2012 in a horrific incident of industrial violence. Through a career spanning 28 years, Avnish had worked for companies like HAL, BEL, Samtel, Minda and Maruti. In all his organizations, he was considered a man of courage and conviction. I am proud and blessed to have been part of his life for whatever time God had ordained for us. Losing Avnish in this manner taught me many life lessons. The most important one was the realization that each one of us suffer some measure of adversity in our lives. It is how you deal with it is what defines you. After this incident, I had a choice. I could choose to live a life of anger, resentment and bitterness, but instead I chose to let go and turn this ordeal into something positive. And hence the Avnish Dev Memorial Trust happened. Through the activities of the trust, we are now honoring Avnish's memory in small and meaningful ways. I would also like to mention the empathy and commitment of Ayukawa-san, who takes time out from his busy schedule to visit us every year to pay homage to Avnish on 18th July. Although the pain of losing Avnish will never go away, but this simple gesture by Ayukawa-san helps me feel secure and connected to the Maruti family. We are already into the 8th edition of the Avnish Kumar Dev Memorial Lecture. I am thankful to XISS and the trustees for bringing this event to a national level. I would like to thank Mr. Rajesh Uppal and Mr. Siddiqui for taking this initiative forward. The theme of the lecture this year is Building Progressive Employee Relations for Competitive Advantage. I personally feel that these unprecedented times can serve as a window of opportunity to shape the future of work with foresight so that inequalities are reduced and well-being is encouraged. I would like to thank all the faculty members and students who have joined us today for the lecture. I hope the deliberation will immensely help the industry and budding HR managers. Thank you all for joining us for this event in memory of Avnish. Thank you.
With his passion and perseverance, Avnish proved to be an inspiration for all those around him. He was someone who had the courage, tenacity, and the strength of character to preserve the cause of HR and remain by the side of his values till the end. The HR team truly misses his presence and the energy he brought along. He rests in our hearts and has our respect for the kind of person he was and the values he encompassed. Avnish Kumar Dev, you are and will always be truly missed.